opposition fit to this guy. Man, I got
more guys and all be small thing. Welcome back to the voice update. So guys, Wizkid don't shock everybody after splashing over 1.7 billion naira to acquire the brand new McLaren 750s car, and this is coming after Burna boy get himself 1.3 million naira Ferrari, and Davido on the other side has been cruising his 2024 Rolls Royce on the street of Lagos. Almost like this, like I said earlier, the competition between these guys is not ending anytime soon. So Wizkid yesterday got himself a brand new McLaren 750s car for 1.7 billion naira, and this has got a lot of people talking, saying Davido, Wizkid and Burna boy should be calming down. So guys, let's take a look at the moment Wizkid was cruising his new car.
My brother gets bad. Yeah.
run to Baba Luki. I know my mama prayed for me, and I know the heavens did for me.